Brother Robot. The current record to pre-install all 18 wiring zip ties according to the documentation, step 3 of electronics, is 3 minutes by Sean and Stephanie from Baltimore. Is this really a record worth beating? Well, yeah, it's a record, and records are made to be broken. Was it easy to attempt this record? Let me tell you. I've been practicing since yesterday, just trying different angles, methods, and even developing tools that I thought could help me be faster. In the end, my best and fastest way was just to use my hands. While making this video, I can't tell you why I'm trying to beat this record. It's like trying to eat a whole watermelon under 1 minute. I want to try that someday too. And it will probably be a very small watermelon. But that's just not the point. The entire continuously filmed attempt needed to be under 3 minutes. It had to look cool and effortless. Plus, the time limit on a Twitter video, including an intro and exit, is 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Were mistakes made? Could I actually do this faster? Probably. Will I try it again today? Probably not. That would be like asking someone who already ate a whole watermelon in under 1 minute if they would like to eat another whole watermelon in 1 minute. I mean, the accomplishment is already there, and I want this to remain a contest. Do you have what it takes to beat this new record? I honestly think you do. I am excited that someone else will try to make a faster time. I expect it. Someone said this is a record. August 10th, 2017, 10:22 p.m. The new Jelly Box 18 zip tie pre-installation record, 2 minutes and 43 seconds, by Cal Ramon of Brother Robot, Escondido, California. You are welcome.